ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கணேஷாய நமः. ஸ்ரீமன்னாராயணீயம். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ கிருஷ்ணாய பரபிரம்மணே நமः. தசகம் 49, ஸ்லோகா 5. நிரீக்ஷ்ய விருந்தாவனமீஷ நந்தத் பிரசூன குந்த பிரமுக த்ருமௌகம் அமோததாः ஷாத்வலசாந்திரலக்ஷ்ம்யா ஹரின்மணீகுட்டிம புஷ்டசோபம். Word by word meaning. He Isha, O Lord. Nandat Prasuna Kunda Pramukha Drumaugam. Nandat Prasuna, blossomed flowers. Kunda Pramukhaha, Kunda, etc. Drumaugaha, groups of trees, in which there were many Kunda, jasmine, and other trees full of flowers. Shadvala Sandra Lakshmiya, Shadvala, grassland. Sandra Lakshmiya, by the intense beauty of the grasslands. Harin Mani Kuttima Pushta Shobham, Harin Mani Bhi, with emeralds. Kuttimaha, paved floor. Pushta Shobham, extremely beautiful, like a floor paved with emeralds. Vrindavanam, Vrindavana. Nirikshya, seeing. Amodataha, thou wert delighted. Full meaning. O Lord, seeing Vrindavana, which was full of jasmine and other trees in full blossom, and with beautiful grasslands, which looked like a floor paved with emeralds, thou wert delighted. Om Tat Sat.